Here I've got MAXCOM Smart MS457 Strong, and let me show you how to perform a hard reset of the following device through the settings. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the list and pick Backup and Reset. Now on the bottom of the list you will notice Factory Data Reset, so if it's shown you want to wipe all data from your device, click on this tab. And as you can see here, the notification shows that it will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and all the other user data. And if you still want to do it, click on Reset Phone. And now you have to confirm it one more time, because this operation cannot be undone and you will lose all the information stored in your device. And now just be patient and wait a couple of minutes until it's fully wiped. Then you will be able to set up your MAXCOM as a new one. And that's it. As you can see, now you can set up your device from the beginning. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.